Hey guys, I'm Steve from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to be comparing the Snowblower versus the Snowthrower. You'll find the links to the products in the description, and you can use the links to check the latest prices and user reviews. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know our final verdict on which between the Snowblower and Snowthrower is better. Getting snow off your property or equipment can be a challenge. So to preserve your equipment and property, you have to know which between the Snowblower and the Snowthrower is the better. Both units work almost the same, but have incorporated few features that set them apart. Snowblower versus Snowthrower. How do they compare? From the table above, you'll notice that the Snowblower is best suited for the heavy tasks and can be used in areas with heavy snow, while the Snowthrower suffices for light snow jobs. Mode of operation. Both pieces of equipment perform the same job of removing snow, but the modus operandi is different. A snowblower is a two-stage snow removal machine and is equipped with a rotating auger that enables it to scoop up snow, which is then fed to an impeller and launched away by the powerful fan. A Snowthrower is a single-stage snow removal machine designed to pick up the snow in one motion and throw it out the chute as it moves. Source of power. Snowblowers are usually powered by gasoline or diesel and are effective when it comes to clearing snow. Snowthrowers, on the other hand, are powered by extension cords. Thus, their use is limited to the length of the cord. New snowthrowers in the market, however, use batteries, and for as much as they are not limited with the length of the cord, they can only run for 20 to 45 minutes on a single charge. Ease of storage. Snowthrowers are small in size and won't take up much room in your garage. Snowblowers, on the other hand, are usually as big as a tractor and will need a big storage room. They also need servicing to keep them in optimum shape. Snowthrowers are not maintenance intensive and are good for the environment because they don't produce fumes. Snowblower versus Snowthrower, a comparison overview. Snowblower, overview and features. Snowblowers are available in two types, the two-stage and the three-stage snowblowers. Most of the two-stage blowers have incorporated an electric start button and are usually self-propelled. The more expensive options are made with a joystick lever that enables the blower to be driven easily. The two-stage blowers are characteristic of the headlights, have different speed options, and are equipped with padded grips for comfort. The three-stage snowblowers feature an electric start button and are usually self-propelled. They provide users with power steering options and have incorporated heated comfort grips. The high-end three-stage snowblowers have incorporated track drives that offer high traction on icy surfaces. Pros are self-propelled, incorporate heated grips for comfort, cover a large area when working. Cons: they scoop anything on the ground, thus can spew projectiles. Snowthrower, overview and features. Snowthrowers are available in three distinct types. We have the battery-operated, that is usually sold with two batteries. They are characteristic of a dead man's release, padded comfort grips, and headlights. The second type is the corded electric snowthrower, which is characteristic of the padded grips. Some have incorporated the dead man's release used to shut off the motor when the user lets go of the trigger. Other models of the snowthrower must be switched off manually. The high-end corded electric stone throwers usually incorporate a headlight and a powerful motor. Lastly, we have the single-stage snowthrower that is available in two categories. The high-end units have a push-start button, and the cheaper options have a pull cord used to start the engine. They are also characteristic of the dead man's release and offer variable operating speed. Some of the new single-stage snowthrowers are self-propelled and have incorporated the comfort grips. Pros: occupy a small footprint during storage, does not release fumes during use, have incorporated the padded comfort grips. Cons: have few operable options. Verdict: so which is better, snowblower or snowthrower? Snowblowers are better than snowthrowers because they have more operable features. Some snowblowers have been equipped with a joystick that enables maneuverability. They have an easy-to-use electric start button and are self-propelled. What's more is that they are equipped with track drives that offer traction on slippery surfaces and have heated grips. Which one do you prefer, the snowblower or the snowthrower, and why? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. Also, if you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up button for us and subscribe to the channel for more videos. We'll see you in the next one.